with AI um, episode that we're doing. Guys, hello, my name is Catherine from Cyborg Digital. We've got this podcast that we're doing once a week. This week we're doing two in a row. Reason is last week I was talking so much and getting so invested, and then my mic didn't work, so that was quite fun. So this week you guys get double the information, double the insights, double the perspectives, however you would like to see that. So basically, our series is called Spill, so Cyborg Spill, spilling the beans, and giving the information that you guys need. We are a digital marketing agency based in South Africa, to be exact, Pretoria, South Africa. If you've got a small business or you have an e-commerce store and you would like us to help you, please contact me at info@cyborgdigital.co.za and we can speak about what you guys want to achieve. But yeah, in the interim, like I said, this series is more for you guys to learn, to see what I know about stuff, for you guys to get involved, ask questions, and for me personally to just make sure that I stay ahead of the game and up my skills at all times, to make sure that I'm always learning and growing, which is very important to me. So, yeah, I've got my little blanket here. It's cold. I'm doing good, so that's fine. And I think let's start. So, on the previous video, we went into ChatGPT, the wonders of ChatGPT. I love ChatGPT. But I'm going to show you some different stuff on this one. This one is going to be a bit more creative. I'm going to show you Pictory. I'm going to show you Synthesia. I'm going to show you Midjourney. And then I'm also going to show you some stuff on Zapier, and how you can integrate. I'm going to, for the sake of this live, put a stopwatch on for me because I tend to go into concepts so deep that I forget that I only have limited time. So I'm going to do 15 minutes per section, and I'm just going to put it here for me, and then I can see what I'm doing with time. All right, so I think let's kick off with Synthesia. I think Synthesia is where we're going to start. I love Synthesia. So Synthesia is basically a program that you can access online, and it's not that expensive, by the way. A lot of people think that all these AI programs are, super expensive, and they aren't. It depends on the application that you're using it for. But yeah, Synthesia is basically, and I'll show you guys my other screen here. Synthesia is basically a platform where you can create AI avatars talking about stuff. So, for example, if you're trying to sell your product service and you're just shy to do it yourself, just program a virtual avatar to do that for you. It's quite cool. We have one called Eve. I'll show you guys on our page how she looks. I actually had a client the other day asking me, "Who's that girl working for you?" And I was like, "No, sir, it's a virtual avatar." Let me just quickly log into my Facebook here and just quickly give it a code. All right. Sorry, I'm just waiting for the code. So, yeah, whilst I'm logging into my Facebook, the point is, yeah, we've got a little avatar. We call her Eve. She hasn't been featuring a lot on our content lately. I would need to do that more, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Just quickly, hold on. Could you put that on my click up, please? Just saying Synthesia videos cyborg. Sorry, guys, trying to be productive at the same time. But long story short, yes, she is. And I'm not sure if you can hear her audio, but I'll play it.
Hi, my name is Eve. I am Cyborg Digital's AI representative. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Look no further than Cyborg Digital. Our team of professionals have the expertise and knowledge to help you reach your goals faster than ever before. With our advanced strategies and conversion advertising, Combined with our 10 million Rand worth of ad spend since 2020, you can be sure that you're getting.
All right, so I don't know if you guys saw that, but that's literally an AI avatar speaking about my business. And the thing is, as you guys know, with these podcasts and so forth, I want to show you guys ways that you can do this for your business. And again, these are things that
Specialize in e-commerce.
Eve, stop talking.
Hi, my
Let
name
me
is.
just get Eve off. Anyway, so you can use this for your business and our company. You know, we're on all these platforms and stuff like that, so we could help you create these videos for your business, which is quite cool. But yeah, let's dig a bit deeper into it. So I'm just quickly gonna log in here, and we're gonna make one together. So first of all, what I do is always I use GPT, as you guys know. I always used Playground, but for now I use ChatGPT. So let's just quickly sign into our Synthesia here. Okay, great stuff. And log in. So let's say, for example, a hypothetical. Let's say you have a company that is, your company does what? You are a e-commerce store selling amazing, I don't know, belts. We're gonna call it Belt Boy. So let's say my company's name is Belt Boy. We are an e-commerce store in South Africa, and we sell belts, or let's say we sell leather belts for any size. Our prices range from, I don't know, let's say 500 to 1,500 Rand. We don't charge anything for shipping, and we will get your product to you in 5 days. Okay, now we can say act as, that little trick I told you guys about, act as the best salesman in the world that needs to shoot a video for an ad. Give us the best script possible in the world, as an example. So there we prompt the AI, and there we get, even how the scenes would work, and so forth and so forth and so forth. Now I'm just at this stage interested in the copy for now, but here's a nice way you can use AI to get really good copy for your virtual avatar on Synthesia. So yeah, there it writes. Now I'm going to go into Synthesia, and let me just quickly go out here. Not sure what the story is yet now, so just quickly hold on. So while I sort this out, guys, yeah, like I said, long story short, Synthesia is a great way to do video avatars for your business. It's really, really, really cool, and yeah, you can do any kind of AI video with that. Just give me 1 second here, guys. I just wanna do something here. Okay. Cool. Just quickly fixing this, guys. Sorry for the delay. Cool. All right. So I just had to quickly renew my subscription there, but it's done. So let's continue. So cool. How did you hear about Synthesia? Let's just say other. Use the case. We're just gonna say it's for marketing or whatever the case might be. And then yeah, we're gonna take it from there. So now we can take all this text here. Just see Cornea's at the bottom. So now we can take all this text here and we can literally program our little avatar. And now the cool thing about this program is you can use backgrounds, like various backgrounds. So here's Eve, for example, that I like for Cyborg. I like this avatar for our business. But now here, you can, here at the bottom, you can put all that scripts that we just did. We can put that in, that we made on ChatGPT, and make ourselves a cool AI video. So here, I'm just going to put in all this copy. Okay. Cool, so I'm putting in all this stuff here for our hypothetical company called Belt Boy. So we're gonna sell some belts with our virtual avatar. So yeah, there I'm just putting in all the copy. And now what I can do is you can change the avatar. So something that I would highly suggest if you guys are going to use Synthesia, make sure that the person actually selling the thing, right, relates to the company. So Belt Boy, our fictional company, we're going to get a male avatar to talk to our audience. So here we can click on avatar. And the cool thing is here you can get different avatars. So there are many avatars that you can choose from. So you could, for example, here say, cool, I want somebody that looks like they're more of a belt guy to talk in this video. So let's say, for example, we choose a bit down. I'm gonna take Mario. Mario looks like he enjoys belts, so I'm gonna use Mario as our virtual avatar. Now I can go here at the bottom and you can give it different accents. So here you can give it English accents, you know, from different countries and different tones and different styles. He is Afrikaans natural. You can even, like, you know, have South African accents for it. Now, obviously, I don't want to do it that hectic for now because it really does give you the proper English Afrikaans kind of thing. It's like, hello bro, gaan dit met jou, me, and like, if it's Afrikaans, English, it would be like, with this. So it'll do that hectic Afrikaans English kind of pronunciation. So for this video, what we're going to do is we're going to say, we just want this English, and we want it English commercial. So yeah, English commercial kind of tone. And now you can do even cooler things, guys. You can, at the back, you can put in like, now it's a white background, but you could at the back add different stuff. You can add different backgrounds or whatever you want, your company logo. So you can really go quite boss with this. You know, in different ways that you want. You can do quite a lot with this. Like here, you can go there, you can change the color. So let's say we're going for something like this. And here, let's say we say, welcome to Belt Boy. Now, I'm not going to, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to now heavy go into the design and stuff. I'm just kind of showing you guys the practical application. But there you can do it. Here you could get a preview of the audio.
Who said belts were just a utility? At Belt Boy, we understand that they're a style statement, a testimony of your taste, a mark of your personality. Welcome to Belt Boy, South Africa's premium destination for leather.
So there, the avatar didn't move, but you can at least hear the audio if you like the audio. And then yeah, you can say generate when you're done. So I'm gonna generate it. It says there it's gonna take about 10 minutes. Yeah, it says about 15 minutes for it to do its thing. So I'm not gonna bore you guys too much with that. But in 10 to 15 minutes, we can definitely look how this video came out. So Synthesia is great for any product pitches or, you know, an ad that you want to put out. I love it. I've just renewed my subscription. I'm actually gonna hit a few videos out for Cyborg right after this live, so that we can post stuff that we like, and we can post cool content, and we can show people what technology is out there. So yeah, Synthesia is definitely a program that I would recommend. Cool. Just want to see our timer. Fantastic. Our timer is at 40 minutes plus minus. So let me show you guys the second program. So Synthesia is one that I really like. And then there's another one I really like, and that one is called Pictory. So I'm going to show you Pictory, yeah? For the guys that are joining, FYI, my name is Catherine from Cyborg Digital. We're a marketing agency right here in Pretoria, South Africa. We do digital marketing on Meta, Google, LinkedIn, TikTok, all the different platforms. We specialize in conversion advertising, but I also personally love AI. So we focus on communication, integration, and automation systems and programs. So if you have a business and you would like me to do your stuff, please contact me. That would be great. But in the interim, let's learn. Why not learn? Learning is fun. These podcasts here are on a weekly basis for you to learn and ask me questions and discover what's really out there. Today's episode is about cool AI programs. We've went through ChatGPT. We've went through just now Synthesia. I'm going to show you guys the video a bit later. And now we're going to go to Pictory. Cool. So Pictory. I love Pictory as well. So Pictory is a great way for you to take words and then basically convert those words, right, into cool visuals. I just want to see something here. I need to buy this as well. I'll do that right now. Anyway, so Pictory, fantastic for you if you want to input text and just get like a quick output. Great to use. So yeah, we can we can do that exact same text that we got here for our fictional company Belt Boy. You can put it in there. I see here it's all text. Let me just quickly get it here. Cool. So here you can take that text that you made from ChatGPT, and I'm just gonna take all these scene transitions stuff out. Let's do a bit of a cleanup. Alright, so there I've got all my copy. It's saying that Pictory works best on Chrome, but we're not going to worry about that too much now. I see it's popping up all the time. So anyway, there is our text, right? So this is our company that doesn't exist, where we're using this cool program called Pictory. So here's all our text, and now we can say proceed. And here you can choose some templates. So you could, for example, here say, cool, you know, I want something that looks, I mean, Belt Boy. I'm looking at a certain like, you know, in your face kind of theme. So let's go for something like, I don't know, that. And we wanted it in story format as an example. So you guys will see there when you make these videos, it gives you an option to go one by one, portrait format or landscape format. So it has all the different formats. So again, what is Pictory? It's a word to video processor. Now it does it so fast and so good that your editing time for your explainer videos or your content can be much faster. Now, I'm not saying just use the AI's output. I'm saying use your own individual input as well. But it's really a great program if you want to do explainer videos, or if you want to just like do more content. The stuff that you get out of it is quite insane. So cool. Let's just wait for the output here. Okay, it says 56% completed, and our video on Synthesia is also taking some time. So I think whilst we are waiting for the processing to happen on Synthesia and Pictory, let's go on with an additional thing. I think I'm gonna just do a quick intersection here and read you guys the top AI programs, top 10 AI programs of 2023, and just read a bit of an article while we wait for these things to process. So according to softwaretestingmaterial.com, so it's called softwaretestingmaterial.com. I'll drop this in the chat here. Okay, it doesn't seem like it can at this stage, but yeah, it's softwaretestingmaterial.com. According to this website, they are saying that there is, but you see, this is, I'm not going to use their thing because it's a bit, it's too, in depth. I want to use practical stuff. So let's go for the top 10 or the top 11 AI marketing tools for your business. And this is from elegantthemes.com. So it's saying here, the first one is Jasper. So Jasper is quite cool, guys. If you don't know it, it's a all-purpose AI copywriting tool for marketers that helps people with basically SEO content. So check out Jasper. Jasper might be a good fit for you. Let me just share the screen whilst we go. So Jasper, on brand AI content wherever you create. So quite cool. I would personally just use ChatGPT, but it's saying yeah, Jasper for one other reason. Surfer SEO is another tool that all the SEO guys could use to optimize their game. So that's quite a cool program. Then Okoya, I'm not sure what that means, but this seems like social media copywriting captions. It says your key features, AI-driven social media content creation. So it also creates content, which is great. A vast library of templates, social platform scheduling from one dashboard to another. I'm actually gonna send this to somebody. They might find this useful. Alette, OCOYA. Send that to design team because it looks like a cool program that they can use. Maybe it makes our work faster, so we do their work faster. Anyway, then Grammarly. Grammarly is obviously cool. It checks if you're writing good or not. So it says basic grammar and spell checking, plagiarism checker. So that seems like a cool tool. This is Pictory. This is actually the program that we're doing now. We're just waiting for that generation year to happen. So we're just waiting for Pictory. But Pictory I love. So I'm not going to go into that so much. This seems quite cool. Lately is an AI-powered content repurposing platform that learns your audience and brand voice to make content that soars. Key features: important long-form content to generate shareable social media posts, publish content to multiple platforms, intelligently create content from existing content, and even buy a URL. This seems like something that we all should check out. Then Otter AI, very cool. So Otter AI, what I like about it is you can connect Otter AI. If you haven't checked it out, you can connect that to a Zoom meeting or a Meets meeting, and then it automatically does meeting notes, and automatically prioritizes those meeting notes. And I'm giggling here because you'll hear today I'm talking to a girl here at the side called Alette. I'm giggling because she's obviously hearing this now and going like, why are you making me write meeting notes? So I'll give you guys the answer on that, by the way. If you don't talk in English on these meetings all the time, right, your meeting notes won't be on point. So a lot of our clients are Afrikaans, so that's why we don't always do it. And in the company as well, we speak more Afrikaans to each other than English. But if you do speak only English, you could use Autopilot for automatic meeting minute notes. How cool is that? Cool. Then, yeah, what Adzuma is an AI-powered management platform that manages ads across the various channels. This seems like auto ad builders. I'm not a fan of these. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, in my opinion, even with all the AI stuff coming out, and I can't stress enough by saying that, like, yes, AI is getting intelligent all the time, and AI is more intelligent than I would say a lot of humans on Earth. But I do believe that there's always some kind of human interaction that needs to be there, because at the end of the day, you know, and this is a big topic and we can get philosophical about it, but this is AI, it's not AGI. What we have to be, if you want to use the word scared of, is AGI, artificial general intelligence. That is way more scarier than AI. AI is basically input, output, that's what you get. But when AI starts thinking for itself rapidly, the best way to explain this is consciousness. That is going to be scary. I mean, we can even ask ChatGPT, what is the difference between AI and AGI? Explain this to me briefly, like I'm 6 years old. So let me give you guys a good explanation on this. So imagine AI, or artificial intelligence, as a really smart toy robot that can do one thing super well. Let's say it's great at playing chess. It can learn and get better at chess. But if you ask it to make a sandwich, it will be completely lost. It is designed just to do one task really well and nothing beyond that. Now think of AGI, artificial general intelligence, as a magical toy robot that not only can play chess, but can also make you a sandwich, help you with your homework, tell you stories, and even learn new games that it has never taught before. It can do a lot of different things just like a human, and it can learn and understand new tasks on its own. So in simple, AI is like a toy robot that is very good at one thing, where AGI is like a magical toy robot that can do and learn many different things just like a human. So why I'm going on that tangent is basically, at the end of the day, with AI tools currently, I believe that marketers, owners, people just using this, there should be a form of human input there, because we can, like, our critical reasoning and our creativity, hands down, in my opinion, is way better than just, AI prompting something out. Because I think the reason for my opinion is because people are looking for authentic experiences in life and not just plastic experiences. And I think sometimes AI can be a bit plastic. But when AGI comes to life, that's going to be interesting. That is going to be super, super interesting. So, yeah, cool. So what I'm trying to say at the end of the day is, yes, I love these automation systems when it comes to ad building. It's very cool to check out, but I think AI can also sometimes be shiny object syndrome. I don't like auto ads at all. I've seen that manual building ads outperform them every time. On certain platforms, Advantage Plus campaigns that are automatic do perform better, but it depends on what industry it is, and so forth and so forth. Cool. Then Tidio. Tidio is fantastic. Guys, if you have an e-commerce store and you're not using Tidio, you should. So basically, it's a chatbot that kind of like does a specific interaction with the user while they're on the e-commerce store. So let's say somebody is clicking add to cart but not purchasing. Suddenly a chatbot pops up and say, hey, why aren't you buying that thing? Do you want a discount on it? Give me your email. I'll send you a coupon code. So Tidio, and we'll actually get, like, when we do more advanced stuff, I'll do Tidio as an episode going forward. I'll have like advanced sessions soon. At this stage, we're just doing the overview of stuff, but Tidio is fantastic if you have an e-commerce store. Then, yeah, the other two, it's showing me as growth bar, personalized by human. So they're showing those tools. I just did that as a bit of a intersection whilst we are waiting for our Pictory and our Synthesia videos. Let's see how far they are. Okay, it seems like Pictory is done with our video. So let's give that a go. Cool. So whilst we wait for this to load, let me show you the Synthesia video about the company Belt Boy. Oh, later you're looking at the live. Go look at the live. It's quite cool. If you want to see this, or I can move my screen, but it's quite cool. Or you can watch it later. It's fine. But check how cool this is. Here's our ad for Belt Boy on Synthesia.
Who said belts were just a utility. At Belt Boy, we understand that they're a style statement, a testimony of your taste, a mark of your personality. Welcome to Belt Boy, South Africa's premium destination for leather belts of unmatched quality and timeless design. Each belt we create is a testament to craftsmanship and quality. Crafted from the finest leathers, our belts are designed to elevate your style and provide a comfortable fit for all sizes. Our prices range from a modest R500 to a luxurious R1500.
So they had said R.
It's always priceless. Your style statement.
So obviously there are some things. It said R, and now I'm going. There are some things. There are things that you have to like optimize in the thing, and there is sections in Synthesia we can put pauses in and ask it to pronounce the thing. But there we just made a video with a virtual avatar speaking about our hypothetical company, Belt Boy. No studio needed, no lights needed, nothing, and it doesn't look that bad. I mean, I must say that avatar seems a bit freaky, but there are other avatars that look better. Now I'm gonna make this worse for you guys, and I'm gonna in future have like hotkeys where it's like don don don, on my streams, but I'm gonna make this worse for you. You can create your own avatar. It's insane. It's quite costly, but let me show you this. This is freaky. And when I say freaky, freaky. Like, check this out. This is... So, here's like explain a video about it, but let me show you. This is whack. So custom AI avatar section on Synthesia. You could literally load up green screen videos of yourself and create your own avatar. Like literally, like you'll see here. So like this was actually, obviously this woman here was an actual person that recorded herself in front of a green screen. So you could do the same thing. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? I could talk like this in front of the green screen and say, hello, da, 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 da. And the more data I give this company, they could create a virtual me. And then instead of me doing these podcasts, I could just prompt my Synthesia avatar to speak to you all the time. PCs don't need. I could do live streams with my virtual avatar all the time. Give it content all the time. Interesting content where I make ChatGPT speak to Synthesia, blah, 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 and stream 24/7 all the time. So that's, I'm going to be honest, gives me the creeps, but there are exceptional ways that you could be using these AI programs. Yeah, they don't say what the price is for that on their website, but I mean, you could obviously always find out from a consultant. And again, instead of being scared of it, I mean, it could be a cool way to utilize your business. But for me, I like more natural stuff. Like, yeah, I'm natural, I'm human, I'm me, I'm flesh, I'm fine. But yeah, it gets quite creepy. Cool. So let's look at our Pictory video. Let's see what happened here. I'm just gonna go into the main thing and hit Control F5. Let's see my projects if it actually saved it. Let's just see what happened here. I'm just going to choose any template now, guys. I think the Synthesia video processing was too hectic and then it created issues here. So let's just give it a minute. I think whilst we give it a minute, let's read about more cool AI programs. And guys, obviously, if you know about cool ones, drop it in the chat section, in the comment section. Let's learn together. It would be cool. I'm gonna say top AI tools for businesses. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay, so whilst we're waiting, still processing, it's saying yeah, Pictory again. Luckily, I'm showing you guys Pictory. So Pictory, Jasper, we spoke about that now. Now it's saying yeah, Murph. Murph is a text speech generator. So that's quite cool. Again, if you want to do voiceovers and so forth, check out Murph. And we'll do this. We'll do advanced. I've seen last week with our streams and so forth. We're doing small deep dives at this stage, but we'll get more into this stuff. So I'll show you guys how Murph works and how you can use it for your business, and we'll actually use it for our own ads and our own content and start sharing it so you guys can learn more. Hitpool photo enhancer, AI image enhancer. It makes pictures less blurry. That might be good for photographers not wanting to go reshoot something. Synthesis. This is also text to voiceover. So different voices. We can do voiceovers. So that's quite cool. We'll check these out in a bit as well, because I thought, for example, for podcasts, that's amazing. Like me, this is now like a bit of a video, like a vlog or a video podcast. But you know, on Spotify and stuff like that, you could write an entire book about marketing and upload it with a virtual voice, you know, where people can listen to concepts and stuff. And you could ask ChatGPT to write you a hypothetical book on that. And AI could, like, guys, this doesn't stop. The rabbit hole is deep. Lovo.ai is also an AI voice generator. Images.ai is probably like a mid-journey, stable diffusion technology. So this thing creates images for you. Firefly is fantastic. So Fireflies is a lot like Otter AI. But check here, it can record calls. So it can record and transcribe calls as well. We'll go into Fireflies and Otter AI as well soon. Speechify. Speechify can turn text in any format and put it into natural sounding speech. And then reply.io is like, it seems like it's a sales engagement platform. It says here, I think it's just like it responds to specific things. Then Feathery is another one. Feathery is, when I say respond to certain things, it's like, it says sequences. So it answers that person in sequences, which is quite cool, you know, to nurture a lead. Feathery forms with no coding. That's cool for like, you know, questionnaires and stuff like that, I would think. Tidio, I spoke about, that's the thing for the e-commerce stores. And then, the neural text, it says it's good for AI copywriting, SEO content. And then any word is good for email copy, landing pages and stuff like that. So AI is gonna, I believe personally that when it comes to marketers, like that scope, marketers, IT guys, you know, people that are good with PCs, I believe in the next 5 to 10 years, worldwide, there's going to be a trend of, you're going to call these people AI engineers. I believe I will be an AI engineer or an AI prompter in future, because at the end of the day, you're still going to need the person to kind of like speak to the AI, but it's quite cool to see how many programs are coming out. Okay, let's get back to business. I'm seeing here, guys, that Pictory is taking all the time in the world. I don't know why. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, instead of driving myself crazy, I'm going to show you guys a old videos that I did for some of my clients. So let me share it. So this is one of my clients. He sells beer, and I can show you how this video looks. So again, we just gave this program text. We just gave it text, and it did this entire video on its own. So check this out.
Beer brewing is the process of making beer, which involves malting, mashing, boiling, and fermentation. Let's Brew is a popular online store in South Africa that provides brewing equipment, ingredients, and kits for making beer at home. Let's Brew has a wide variety of malts, hops, yeast strains, and brewing kits available for anyone interested in making their own beer. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced brewer, Let's Brew has everything you need to get started.
So, I mean, guys, at the end of the day, it's not an award-winning video, but that's not bad for content. And it also has a person that does the voiceover, you know? So it's like... And you have the options to edit these videos as well. So it's great for content, Pictory and Synthesia. Cool, guys. I am going to do the last program with you guys now, and we're gonna explore Midjourney a bit. Who knows about Midjourney? If you don't, welcome. Long story short, with Midjourney, this is the program that made all the artists freak out when it came out, because it's just that good. It's exceptionally good. It's scarily good. So what is Midjourney? Midjourney is a program, a AI, a stable diffusion, blah 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 blah. Sorry, I can give you guys the exact technical answer, but I'm not. But let me do it, and let me use AI to tell me what it is. I mean, why not? So Midjourney is an independent, their website says, it's an independent research lab exploring new mediums of thought and expanding the imaginative powers of the human being. It's I don't know what they're saying there, but it's basically an AI art generator. That's the best way I can say it, and it uses, I think, stable diffusion technology. So let's get into it. So how does it work? You download a program called Discord. For all the gamers out there, you obviously know what Discord is. And then you add the Midjourney chat channel to your Discord. Now, obviously, you have to kind of like pay for it. But you do get a certain amount of exports completely for free. Luckily, I am using 1 year that is a paid version. So how you do it is you install this, right? Then you go to a room here called newbies. Now you have to talk to the AI. So how you do it is you go / imagine space prompt. So how you speak to it, / imagine prompt. And I'm going to make a image now. So I'm going to say here, show us a digital marketer streaming from laptop and extra screen at the side, comma, it is a girl with long brown hair. There are 2 ring lights and a microphone. Make sure it's 4K, Ultra HD, and hyper realistic. Now, I'm going to explain to you guys the prompting way in depth later, but for now we're just touching it. The only reason why I'm saying 4K, Ultra HD, and hyper realistic is because you really get good images out of the AI then. And then here I'm kind of like trying to prompt myself. So let's see. So there I'm hitting enter. And now the AI and all these other images here, guys, are from other people. So now the AI is doing its thing, and it's going to process what what I'm doing. So there it's starting and it's thinking. So whilst we wait, let me show you other stuff. I mean, look how beautiful this is. Small glass medicine bottles with flowers inside, including lavender. Like, I mean, for your websites, for your, like, these things don't exist, and I think that's the scariest. These images here don't exist at all. It's prompted and done by AI, which is quite insane. Like that doesn't exist. So you could create amazing photos and stuff for your house, for your business, for your website, for whatever, just using AI. So let's see now here. Cool. So there was our prompt. How cool is this, guys? That was the prompt. A streamer with 2 ring lights. Now it's not perfect, but I mean, that's insane. That's insane. So Midjourney, like I said, it's a really good place to do some AI art and stuff. Let's do one more. Let's go / imagine prompt. And we're going to say here, for example, I don't know, South Africa or South Africans winning the rugby against Australia. Australia. Fun, inspiring, 4K, HD, hyper realistic. So let's see what comes out there. Now, whilst we wait for this, I want to show you guys some stuff here. So, long story short, let's show you this. Hold on. I don't know where that is now, but long story short, some of the prompting you can do here is insane. Like, look at this prompting here. I'll show you some other member that does it. Hold on. You'll see some of the guys here are exceptionally good. And prompting again is how you speak to a PC. Like, look here. AR 16:17. That's the aspect ratio, right? Look here. Brown and aquamarine. Like, there's some people that can really speak to AI insane. And we actually have a partner. She's from a company called Visions AI. We'll do a bit of a podcast with her as well. And she can show you guys some cool tricks. But the point is how you prompt it. You can prompt it quite insane. Like, yeah, minus AR 9 to 11, minus V5. So it's all different ways where you can speak to Midjourney. So here's our one about the rugby. I mean, how cool is that? That doesn't exist. Like, this doesn't exist. And it made it. So, yeah, guys, I think that's where I'm going to stop. We can do a deep dive into this later. But I hope you had fun learning about some cool AI programs and how you can use them for your business. But yeah, these AI programs are insane. So have a look at them. And if you don't have time to do them, or if you want somebody like me to help you create content like this by using AI, please contact our company info@cyborgdigital.co.za, and we can help you with all these things. Yeah, lekker. I see you guys next week, Wednesday, and I'll probably be streaming on TikTok again on Friday. I need to do a 24-hour challenge on TikTok. So I wanted to do it last week, and then something else popped up, but not 24 hours, sorry, 12-hour challenge. So I'll be streaming, I think, on Friday from 6:30 to the next morning at 6:30. I think so. I've got traveling time on Saturday, so I might not do it this Friday. I'll keep you guys updated on that. But anyway, long story short, thank you for being here, and let's end it off with our mantra again. Embrace the power of structure and flow. They are the pillars that transform chaos into progress.